Ryan Gass here at PTPGun.com, and today I'm going to show you the field stripping of this FN FNS 9. So with the FNS 9, you want to go ahead and what you're going to do is this lever here, think of it as like a hand on a clock. You're going to rotate it down from the 3 o'clock position down to the 6. You're going to pull back, you're going to let go, you're going to pull the trigger, and then the slide is going to freely come off. Now at the field strip, we're going to go ahead and set this frame to the side. This is as far as we're going to take it apart with a field strip. Now with the slide assembly, we're going to take the spring and spring guide right here, we're going to compress that just a little bit, we're going to pull it up and out. Set that to the side as well. The barrel, from the bottom, I'm going to take my finger, I'm going to hit the barrel right there, push it up, and pull it up and out. Set that to the side. And then from here we have our slide. So we have our slide now, we have our barrel, we have our spring and spring guide, and then we have our frame. This is the field stripping of the FNS 9. From here, you can do any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do to the firearm. Now, assuming you've got that done, now we're gonna get back into the reassembly of the field strip. So we're gonna take the slide, we're gonna set it back upside down, and everything's, again, gonna be pretty much in reverse. The same thing in reverse. We're gonna drop the muzzle in first, slide it forward and drop it down in its place. Again, the barrel's gonna stick out about 1 millimeter or 2. That's what it's supposed to look like. We're gonna take the spring and spring guide, the spring end and then the mechanical end. We have with the spring end going forward. We're gonna slide that in. We're gonna compress it down just a little bit, and it's gonna get caught in the bottom of that barrel lug. All right, now that's good. Now we're gonna go ahead, and again, we're going to flip it back over, right side up. We're gonna insert this metal rail here into the cutout of the back of this slide. All right, so it's not going to be tip to tip. You're going to bring it back a little bit, insert that in, keep it matched up, pull it all the way back. And when I pull it all the way back, I'm taking what you don't see right now is I took my thumb and I lifted it, the slide release, slide catch, I lifted it up and engaged it. From here, I can go ahead and take that lever and I can switch it back from 6 o'clock back up to 3. So now that we've done the field strip and reassembly, we're going to go ahead and just double check and we're going to do a functions check on this, make sure that we put it back together properly. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead, pull back, let go, pull the trigger. We're going to pull back, let go, pull the trigger. We're going to pull back, let go, and we're going to pull the trigger. We're going to hold the trigger. Keep that trigger to the rear. All right, we're going to pull back on the slide, let go. Now we're going to release the trigger slowly. I'm going to feel, you're going to hear it click. That means the trigger's now been reset. I'm gonna go ahead and pull back on that trigger again. Clunk. All right, again, pull back, let go, release the trigger, click. All right, again, pull back, let go, pull the trigger, pull back, let go, and we have now field stripped and functions checked our FNS 9. For more videos on how to field strip various firearms, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna be posting the field stripping videos every Friday. It is our Field Stripping Friday series. Also, if you have any firearms specifically that you would like to see field stripped so you know how to do that with your firearm, let us know in the comments below. Let us know what firearms you have that you would like to learn how to field strip as well. Thank you all again, stay safe, and remember to train, defend, prevail.